Well, welcome to Allen's Day. This is day 20 working on the Jeep. Almost to the end of working on the Jeep. This is a 99 Jeep Cherokee that was one wheel from going to the junkyard, and took and revived it. So I'm on my way to work this morning, and I am taking Krusty the Jeep with me. Well, I don't know if we can call it Krusty anymore. It's turned out a whole lot better. So let me turn you around here and show you what we got going. Well, here's the setup we got with the Jeep now. We got the Pete. The whole goal is to be able to get the Jeep on the back and be able to pull this gooseneck trailer. And we got it set up where this is the tightest turning radius that we have, and that's the gap we got. A little closer than I'd like to see it, but it's gonna have to work. In order to get it to fit on there, had to take there was two bumpers that were on the bumper here last night, and they stick out about 2 inches. So I took the Sawzall, cut those off so I can run this thing up tight. That's what I needed to get it on there. So anyways, there's the Jeep. It's getting a whole lot better. So taking it in today, the guys got to put the wheel stops on the bed, and I want to raise that hitch up a couple inches yet, and put a heat shield on the exhaust so I'm not cooking that front of the Jeep up. And then the Jeep's got to go in and get the AC worked on, and also a front end alignment, and should be good to go. Heading out towards the end of the week, heading down to Tennessee and Mississippi with this setup here. So bring you back when we get you to the shop and show you what we're doing. Well, tonight I got an easy night. I got the Krusty, the 99 Jeep Cherokee, dropped off at the get the front end alignment and the AC work done on it. Had the truck down at the shop today. The guys put on the wheel stops here. And what else did they do on here? Over on this side here, they took and put some deflectors or heat shields on the inside of this exhaust here. That way when the front plastic bumper is bumped up against here, when it does a regen, I don't know how much heat's going to come off there, but I didn't want to melt the bumper, so they formed up an aluminum heat shield, pop riveted that in there. That's in there, and it's good to go now. Got it all blocked up, ready to pull it out. One tip for you: if you're going to be hooking back up to a trailer anytime soon, take a wooden block or a brick or anything, put it by the back wheel, and leave a couple of inches of it sticking out that you can see in your rear view mirror when you back up, especially on a rig like this that you got a hard time seeing where you're going. And do the same thing on this side, and that way it makes it so much easier when you back up. You just literally back up, keep the same amount of block on each wheel, and you should be pretty close there compared to backing into something you shouldn't be doing. So just a little tip, anytime you get a chance, just tell everybody don't move your blocks. I am ready to put this thing in the shop tonight, because what we got going on is, like I said, it's going to be an easy night for me. Let me get around to the other side here. I've got the backup camera that's got to go in here, and the backup camera that I currently have in here is a solar powered backup camera. And what it is, I have this camera mounted up on the top and the back there. Does an excellent job, good picture, The only problem is you got to get up there to push this frickin' little button here in order for the camera to start working here. So, good system, good idea, does not work for this application. So I've got to get I've got another camera buried down in this pile here somewhere. Oh, there's even a truck on the front, so it's got to be for trucks. So this camera I have to mount up on the back, up on the top, and run a cable from somewhere up in there on the back side of that panel all the way down and around and through and under and back and through and under up to the dash here. So like I said, it's gonna be an easy night tonight, right? So let me get the truck back in the shop and we will start getting this camera set in there. Makes it so much more of an enjoyable trip when you got a backup camera on there, especially you're pulling a load. We are making progress, even though there's wires and stuff everywhere on the inside of the truck here. I do have the camera mounted up here, and I got a CB. I'm not quite sure how this thing's going to work. It's just a little freaking mini deal. I've never had one of these before. All the wires I'll get hooked up into there. Made a little plug in here so I'm not cobbing into any wires, and I just hooked this up to the CB power. Hook the CB and also the camera up into here. The big challenge is going to be getting that wire run all the way to the back. Other than that, I am making progress, and I'm calling it a night tonight. Gonna get out of here early. Catch you guys on the next episode. Maybe we'll be picking up that 99 Jeep Cherokee known as Krusty, and see what it looks like with all its new doodads on it. Talk to you later. Thank you for watching Alan's Day. Life is about making choices. Some things are already perfect. Some things you may choose to upgrade. This channel will show you both. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again.